I'm seeing a lot of comment that the market is rotating, and it's rotating away from tech, and it's rotating towards cyclicals and value stocks. And if you want to make 10, 15% in 2026, there you go. Go after it. That's where it's going. And why is this happening? Why is everybody running from tech? Well, it's because they're spending $600 billion on this AI fantasy that they believe in. And so they're spending all their money, which is bringing down their PE ratios, which is compressing their stock price. And that's what's happening. But wait. Maybe, just maybe, something else is happening. Could it be that their rotation is also going towards the implementation of AI? Are there companies like Best of Us Investors who has figured this thing out, and they're changing the way people invest, and they're giving them the opportunity to double their portfolio in a given year like they just did in 2025? Could this be happening somewhere else? And there are new stocks that are emerging that are coming to their awareness in the market. Let's just talk about one of the biggest industries in the world, and that is advertising. I remember when advertising was what my mother said to my friend's mother over the fence. Hey, I tried this stuff and it worked. And so she went to the grocery store and bought it as well. And then on came something called radio, and they had radio commercials. And then it went to magazines and newspapers, and that's how you communicated with people. And then this box showed up in our living room. It was big, and it had a little screen on it, and it put out a picture. It was called TV. And then over the years that turned into color. I can remember driving down the road to Florida and on the signs it said color TVs at this motel. And I said to my Dad, we got to stop there. That's where we got to stay. They have color. That was advertising. And then we had the advent of social media. And right now, the dominators of advertising are Google and Meta. But it's changing. Yes, it is. It's now changing to direct mail, because now I can come directly to you. I can put something in front of you directly to you. I can even follow your cursor as you go through my direct mail to see what you land on. And I can learn your buying habits, and I can directly advertise to you. I can even, with some companies now, make a TV commercial, which used to cost $75,000 and take 4 months to make. Now with AI, can make that TV commercial in a matter of a day, and it will cost $500. That's right. So what I need to do, as you are rotating to value and the rotation of the market, I need to go where the new money is going, where the new opportunity, where the new TAM is going to be created. I need to find those stocks. And so I went to Samantha and I said, this is what I'm seeing, Samantha. Tell me the names of the stocks that are now emerging to deliver AI that are going to give me 100% return over 3 years. And she came back with some of them that are going to give me 100% this year. And they're in different fields. They're in personalized medicine. Yeah, there's a company who is bringing genomic research, bringing your clinical research, and saying we will tell you if you've got cancer or if you've got heart disease. And oh, by the way, maybe we'll put into your house a smart mirror so we can see your body every morning. So, and maybe a smart toilet so we can analyze your poop and pee every morning and tell you on a personal basis what's happening, and it's all driven by AI. Now, how did I find these stocks? I went to Samantha and I told her what I just told you, and she said, here's the ones you want to consider. And then I said, okay, now do me an analysis to tell me what the prices of the stocks are going to be in the coming months. And she's got some of them. Let me see here. Here, this one, in the TV one, 3x in 3 years, 300% return in 3 years. The email one, 82% return this year, 160% over 3 years. And then this personal medicine, their revenues since 2021 to 2025 have grown 5x. Yeah, they started small, but they're growing. It's a $50 stock today. 2029, it will be a $150 stock. How do I know that? I asked Samantha to analyze their growth trajectory, to analyze where they are on the market. What's their PE ratio? What's their PEG ratio? What's their revenues to price to revenues? And what is the projection? And most importantly, has the market discovered them yet? And she comes back and said, no, they haven't. So now I know, yeah, some of the data centers I can stay with because I'll get an 80% return over the next 3 years, but I need to rotate. And let me tell you, it is not going to be to cyclicals and value. No, I will not accept 15% return on my portfolio. I will not do it the way Wall Street wants me to do it. No. I've learned through AI how to identify the stocks that are going to give me 100% growth over 3 years and maybe even 100% in a year. Just like there's a company using AI to identify what my actions are when I open my emails, what I search for and how I do it, so that they can target me directly and make money off of email marketing, off of personalized medicine, all driven by AI. That's right, we're rotating, but we're rotating from the build-out to the delivery. And the delivery is where the money's going to be made. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'm the dude who sits in his basement and has figured out AI and is going to become a trillionaire. Come along on the ride with me. It's going to happen.